75 Cutlass W-30. I think it's a 455 in there, 400 trans. 6 is Forgiato, big cap, staggered. Brought it in. We wanted to get it lifted right, get it sitting good. We did front disc brakes, so they had drums on it. We did the rear disc brakes, we converted all that over. Knocked the frame, full turn, all new suspension, front and back. Inner outer tie rods, all joints, upper tubular control arm, all that type of stuff. Put some music in there, two 12s. We wanted something mild, nothing too crazy, but it still sounds good. 2 12s, 3.5. We was gonna put the tweeters in, but the pods couldn't fit in the tweeter or whatever. But he about to get the interior done and get it resprayed back over white. So whenever they do the interior, they're gonna remodify all what the speaker's gonna be and all that stuff. So, but we did our thing, as you can see, full turn. Doing what it's supposed to do, man. Special vehicle. Now, if anything you want us to do, man, any car, any size rim, we own it. Notch your frame, shorten the rear ends, disc brakes, full suspension, music. We sell any rim you want to buy. We sell any brand. When it comes to the music, I mess with certain brands, but if you want us to, whatever you want to bring, we could do that too. But I recommend certain things, certain head units. So if you want any of that type of stuff, speakers, subs, tweeters, amps, whatever, we'll put a combination together with that for you, and a combination on the rim package, or whatever you want to do, we do it. So you holler at us, and we're gonna get it done. Special Vehicles, 216-246-6200. That's 246-6200. Special Vehicles on the gram. Mother look good though. T-top car too on top of that. There ain't too many of these floating around. You don't see too many 75s with T's. Because me personally, I thought T's started out in 77. When I was seeing the Monis and certain Ford LTDs and stuff that had T's, and even a couple of Eldorados had T-tops. But this is 75 with T's. I don't know if they was put in or was made factory, but anywhere it go. This mother look good. Flow shift. Had the radio mounted over there because of the way these dashboards was made. Couldn't put it on this side because you had the gauges, so we put the radio on that side because of the way that center console was made. So when they get it fiberglass, he's gonna put it right there in the center piece right there or whatever, and that's gonna be that. And then signing off, man. Check y'all in a minute. Special Vehicles.